Hey everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my 60-year-old house. Oh wait, it's not my house, is it?
No, not mine either.
But anyway, it's a 60-year-old house.
It's old.
Yeah. What we're doing is we're moving my craft room. I'm going to show you the progress that we've made because I have a big print machine coming in, so I can start. So Mr. Bob can retire, and we can get things done. So we've been out stuck in the sheets today, and now we're fixing to put y'all around and let y'all see what we're doing.
No. Put it in the corner. Put it in this corner.
Well, we're going to be working there. And see, this is going to be perfect.
Okay. Well, don't break it.
No, it's sturdy. Okay?
Okay.
What we're doing is we're putting on this linoleum. We're putting it on to protect this wood. Because I got a heat machine. Or is it, I don't know if it has heat or not. Do you?
No.
We don't know. We'll find out when we put it in.
You bought it. That's all we can tell you.
Yeah, I bought it. We're also watching the Dallas Cowboy game because, yeah, we're in Texas, so why not? I hate football. Not really. I watch it.
There we go.
Okay, now there's a way you can cut this
Yeah.
in.
This in?
Yes. How do you do it? No, I've seen somebody put it on here and cut it.
Now, you got a little funky thing. You need something that goes in there to harpoon it.
Why? It's harpoon.
No, it's not. It won't come out because it's sealed. So you need a
Go look in the drawer in the kitchen. Our drawer, my drawer. You know, there's Renee's, there's the stove, there's Renee's, there's mine, and there's just long skewers there. They're metal. It's still hot in Texas. Yes.
ton of line.
Well, I gotta pull it up because of this.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, because this has got about an inch.
Okay, so we need to cut it coming down this way.
Yeah. Right about there.
Okay, you want to go ahead and put that seam there?
Glue it?
Yeah, and this top.
Never get over that, oh, that you're gone.
should have done. Cut it and move it down to the thing.
You could. I can cut it right here.
No.
Come on.
Move this whole thing and put it in the corner.
Yeah.
And then cut the end over here. Well, we've already done it like this, so.
Oh well.
Anyway.
Just leave that where you don't have anything on it.
What do we?
Just don't put any, unless you want to put some.
I'm going to put it all the way up.
Okay.
I want it to look nice.
Okay. Okay.
Tape measure.
Huh?
Here's the tape measure.
Like 2 foot.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
wasted time. Should have been here on the outside.
that's it for today. We are done. We are doing no more. We are done. We got it unloaded. That's a good thing. So now we're watching the Kansas City game.
Go Chiefs.
And we're trying to get everything cleaned up because it's a mess again. I just cleaned Friday, but yeah. Anyway, I hope this gives y'all some motivation, and I will see y'all in the next one.
See y'all. See ya. See
Say
ya.
bye, Mr. Bob.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, they didn't see you. Say bye.
Bye.